Welcome once more to the Jamaican cooking journey. If you're new right on over here, there's always a special welcome waiting for you. And if you're an oldie but goodie, manners and respect. I am due 2 more kitchen talks. I've slacked up. This is about the 3rd week. I haven't given you one, but I had some little things going on, but I promise I'll have number 1, number 9, and number 10 this coming week for you, God's willing. Then we're gonna give a break, take a break, and then we're gonna come back. I'm gonna allow people time that never get to watch it, go watch it. Now, just this past week, the 19th, we were all of 9 years old on this platform. The Jamaican cooking journey, you and I, we celebrated 9 years on this platform. This little video is just to say thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I could not have done it without you. If I come to make cooking videos and you're not there, it doesn't matter how many people comment. Because I just don't... I'm not crazy about numbers. I am on this platform because I like what I do. My passion is the kitchen, mostly baking, okay? But I end up having more cooking videos than baking. So I just want to say happy belated 2nd anniversary to us all. We should have a cake, but sometime in the future, maybe for our 10th, God's willing, if we're here. So I just want to say thanks. Go ahead, leave me comments down below and say what you want to say. What we have been here so long, my thing. My thing is just me, the real me. I put out what I know. I never put out what I don't know. I'm here as I don't go around chasing numbers. I'm thankful for whatever I receive. I don't go to other people's channel, watch their views, watch their videos, take pattern out of their videos and do what they do and come in to claim it. I am a realist. I am an original. Everything I do original for you. I don't use other people's slang. Mines are and all of that. Next patient, same treatment. Those are my little things that I invented on my own. I'm an original girl. I don't run around walking around scrolling other people's cooking channel, looking at what they do, trying to do what they do and trying to come to take it and make it. I never do that. I never do that. So I just want to say thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. Thank you all so much. We have been here 9 years. This past year, 2025 was our worst. I was kind of, out. I wasn't feeling well, my body. Just coming back now and I'm taking my time. And I just want to say thank you for your support during those times. So remember now, we're still here posting. Go back, go to our older videos. Easter is upon us. There are so many escovitch fish videos that I've done for you. Yes, I've done lots of bun video. You can go back and look at those. I've done a toto for you. Gizadas, this time of year, pudding. People want to make puddings. They want to make toto. They want to make fish. They want to make bun. Yeah. So me no know. Jamaicans don't do ham. I don't know if some people do ham on Easter. I see foreigners doing ham on Easter, but all of them, they're there for you. The works. There is almost not a video that you're searching for that is not there. Some of them I've done them like many moons ago, and they're there. I've got my playlist of fried dumpling, boiled dumplings, my playlist of fritters, soups, stews, juices, you name it. I've been here for 9 years with original content, and God's willing, as long as I and God wants me to be here, I'll continue to give original content. You know, YouTube has been changing and has changed a lot, but that doesn't change me. I still be who I am, to post originality. You see, in cooking is something that it doesn't matter how long you've been cooking for, you can always find something to be original about. You know, I always say that to you. And we do a little teaching around here too. I never just cook. I always try to talk to you, to, you know, to share what I know. Share what I know. Oftentimes people ask me for videos like a Rasta pasta. I don't know anything about Rasta pasta. I don't know. There are lots of Rasta pasta videos on this platform, but who knows which one is correct? I don't give. I don't ever do what I don't know, because when I give you, I want to explain to you. I want to be thorough so you can know, where did I go wrong? What did I do wrong? Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support. Go in the comment section, spam it up. Wish me and yourselves. Wish us. Don't say happy YouTube anniversary, Miss Debbie. Don't say happy YouTube anniversary, Debbie. Say to you, Debbie. Say to us. To us. To us. Some of y'all have subscribed from when, and you know, things happen, people go here. Some of us have passed. Yes, some of us have passed. Yes. And life happens, but we're still here doing what we do best. The day in particular, I did that. Remember, I knew it was coming up, but because I was dealing with a lot of stuff, that day in particular, I did not remember. It was when I went to my YouTube studio, I realized that YouTube was bigging me up. Yeah, was wishing me happy tuberversary. Yeah, they did that. You know, I said, hey, I not even did remember. So hence on the day, I did not come. So I just want to say thank you for your love and support, and I'll continue to do what I do best, original, being me, not following anybody else. I'll catch you again with another video.